Us not having to wear look good clothes.
What? The man said. What? You are you mad? You are trying mad me. I'm not here for it.
Happy belated birthday, though.
Thank you, darling. Only thing I'll be waiting for next week to put on my eyelashes.
Your lashes? Alright, that's alright.
I just don't know how.
You just need to come to one of my classes. I'm expecting you know.
Let's go. I'm feeling myself. 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 I'm feeling myself.
Alright guys, our conversation with this Candice. You know, remember Candice, right? I'm going to link her picture right here.
See, when you cannot have that conversation.
You want to say hi?
You can't. You're joking, right?
You want to say hi?
When you cannot have that conversation and that personal conversation that I had with you.
Alright, so this hair is from AnnaBelle. It's the same hair that, guys, let me tell you, this hair feels brand new because I have not been, I feel like my closure needs work because I have not been wearing it. So just so you don't want to get vexed when I put her dead stomping on my video. Alright guys, so this hair is from AnnaBelle. This is their Brazilian wavy. Now the only issues I have, and you guys, I've done this review already on this hair, the only issue I have about this hair is the closure. The closure does not hold a tight curl at all. I have to fiddle with it, meaning I have to put holding spray, then scrunch it up and then leave it, then fix the curl, then holding spray that, and then I kind of pat it in. So to me that's a lot to work with. Maybe for other people it's the norm, but I'm not accustomed to that. So I would say, you know, in the hair world we say, you know, it's high maintenance, meaning it's gonna take some work, boo. So the closure is high maintenance, meaning it's gonna take some work, boo. But all in all, I cannot be mad at AnnaBelle at all. And AnnaBelle always do me good. I love the hair. I love how, see how luscious it is. No, I had these, I just took out the flexi rods. I had these flexi rods in for like a week because I was supposed to wear the hair the following day and I didn't. I just have it sitting on my vanity and then it was thrown back there at one point. And no, I was like, you know what, let me hurry up and get this video out. So shedding, yes. Closure doesn't hold a curl. The doesn't hold a curl unassisted. You know, it needs a little bit of help. The wefts, they hold the curl better than the closure, but it's not going to be tight every single day. You know what I mean? Like it's going to fall to a nice wave and then it will keep that wave format. It will never ever fall straight. Same for the closure, it will never ever fall straight, but it will definitely fall a decent amount. You see me? So yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I'm not going to go into depth. If the hair is good, it's good. If it's not, it's just not. And one thing I want you guys to let me know if I should do, instead of having dedicated videos, if you just want me to talk about the hair in passing, like before a tutorial or before a video or something, SMILEBRIGHT does that, formerly known as the Island Beauty. She does that. So Candice, are you stripping him? I'm sweating now.
It was just a little bit, but
I forgot what I was saying. Basically, I have worn AnnaBelle before. The hair does shed. I have not been wearing it a lot. I feel like this is my good hair that I want to put down until I'm having something. I take it out back and then I make it do what it do. I mean, look at how luscious, guys. Oh, I need to put this down and do a tutorial. I need to do a video, like a Q&A video or something with this hair. Look at how luscious it is. Luscious and so bouncy. Do you guys want me to do that, like talk about the hair at the beginning of the video instead of doing a whole video for it, which the video will only go for like 2 or 3 minutes? The reason I'm asking is because the Island Beauty, formerly the Island Beauty, now known as SMILEBRIGHT, she does that. She talks about the hair like at the beginning of her video, and I like that. It's not a full dedicated video, and then I have to be wise, you know. These don't get a lot of views. Well, they get the same amount of views as my mainstream videos get. So let me know what you like. If you want me to do, if you like separate videos, or you like when or you want me to include it in a mainstream video like a tutorial or something. So let me know what you think about that. AnnaBelle, thank you very much for giving me this hair to review. I absolutely love it. Love it. As I say, I feel like it's my good hair. I only want to wear one, you know, on occasion. So let me know what you guys think about what I said before. I feel like I'm losing my train of thoughts. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder too much. I'm sorry. Yeah. Side note, a lot is on my mind right now. A lot is on my mind right now. But AnnaBelle, thank you so much for sending me this here to review. I love it. I do love it, so I have nothing bad to say. Shedding, normally, as I say, the closure is high maintenance. You know, it takes assistance for it to remain luscious and curly or whatever. And I have not tried to straighten this hair. I've not tried it. Maybe I should and see what it looks like. Maybe. But if I do that, that would be in a vlog, because I'd go to like the hairdresser and have it done or something. But yeah, so that's it for this video, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. AnnaBelle, thank you. Your hair is gorgeous. Bye guys.